Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save Chrome images as PNG or JPG file. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to activate the Chrome extension. We just need to search for the save image type like this. And we need to install this Chrome extension. You just need to click on this option, save image as type. Okay, and we need to download and install the Chrome extension to save Chrome images as PNG or JPG file. Okay, and then we can click on add to Chrome right here. We need to add this extension to our Chrome and click on add extension. Okay, and hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and now this Chrome extension has been added to our Google Chrome, and I'm going to try to use this Chrome extension to save Chrome images as PNG or JPG file. I'm going to search for whole image. Okay, I'm gonna go to the images and I'm going to show you how we can save the images as PNG or JPG. I'm gonna select this image, okay, this one, and I'm going to right click on it, and we can scroll down until we find save image as type. And here you'll be able to save it as JPG or PNG, and I'm going to select save as PNG. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, this one, I'm going to name it Owl, and just click on save. Okay, and now the image has been saved as PNG file in my device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to save Chrome images as PNG or JPG file. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.